What is going on, everybody? So today is June 10th. We are going to be trading the NASDAQ today. PA is actually looking pretty good. If you full boarded CPI news this morning, it would have worked. I did not full board CPI news. I already have 2 accounts. I don't need to add a third right now. Let's get into my daily bias. Starting on the weekly time frame, we can see that we've just hit this weekly gap on both pairs. So this gives me a little bit more of a bullish narrative going into the day. Now on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we have a nice fresh 4-hour gap here with low resistance leading to it, as well this massive rejection wick. This is giving me a little bit more of a bullish narrative just because we have more low resistant targets above rather than below. Going down to the 1-hour time frame, we can see that we had a huge rejection wick off this hourly gap. This is showing bearishness, but what is it protecting? It's protecting all this low resistance leading to a high time frame key level, just like yesterday. Going even lower on time frame, on the 15-minute, we have this 15-minute gap here with an internal low in it. As well, we have a 15-minute gap here on ES with an internal low in it. As well, on NQ, we have this 30-minute gap down here, which is also CPI news low. So what do I expect off open? I'm looking for something like this where we run lower, we get a Judas, and we target these highs. This would be a PDI Judas off open. We have all this accumulation. We then manipulate lower, and then we distribute higher. I have a feeling that we want to go to this 4-hour fair value gap today. Doesn't mean I'm right. Doesn't mean it's going to happen. Just something that I think we're going to target today with the context that is given. Nice, guys. All right, market is opening in 30 seconds. Let's see what it gives us. Like I said earlier, would really love if we just push lower and get a Judas. It would be a very simple day for me. But either way, we'll see what happens. All right, pushing higher. Not really what I wanted to see, to be honest, but we already did manipulate into this 15-minute gap, so we don't necessarily have to return back to it. I don't really want to take a short off this hourly internal high, so price could come back down. Not hitting anything key level wise. That New York AM high could be a good target for us. So we'll see. 30-second Judas to the other side, but didn't hit any key levels. This is not a trade I'd take. Right? Well, Judas happened in the other direction. Could be something like this. But let's see. I would like for this to actually play out, and we kind of do this. And then we SMT this 30-minute, we get an inversion for higher. But we'll see. So now a 30-minute gap on ES, fresh 30-minute gap, fresh 30-minute as well in NQ. Yeah, this plays and gives me a good higher, but you can see how this Judas open higher. Oops, what the fuck is that? Never used that before. We just open higher and then we manipulate. Or we manipulate higher, and then we're going to push lower. Now, this is a trade that I fade. We don't have a key level. Nothing was hit. We just manipulated, took out highs, and now we're manipulating lower. And this could very easily fail just because we didn't hit a key level. So we'll see what happens. The only, in quotation, key level you hit is a 15-minute rejection block, which would be this. This right here, this wick. You do hit CE of it, but that's like, I don't trade like that. So, all right, we're pushing into that 15-minute internal low, a fresh 30-minute. See what happens here. Would really like us to build some structure. This looks a lot better. Thank you. Just because we didn't really print any highs, we just wicked. We'll see what happens. I want to see us take out this 30-minute though, because it is data low, so you will see. Or if Patty took this, we just don't manipulate into anything. So I'm in like a 4-minute. I actually doubt it. I doubt he took this, even though it's so obvious. This is just very obvious. We're now pushing higher. Any inversions? Yeah. Don't do that to me. Break even at this swing. And it closed. Don't know if there was no gap though. Only these 30 seconds. Which inversed. I actually like this though. Really shitty fill now. I was trying to get it on this down candle, but right. We're gonna target a 1-to-1, which honestly I could probably target this 4-hour, but we'll see. Definitely not going break even at this high though. I'll go break even once we hit the hourly internal high, but or like it's hourly internal high. But definitely a shitty fill, just because I wanted to see if NQ had any actual gaps I need to see get inversed. Inverse this, good 30-second CISD. Yeah, like this trade, so see how it plays. I really do think we're gonna push up to these 4-hour highs though. I just don't want to hold that high, because I want to just get my winning days. You know, I really don't think that we're gonna. I really hope we don't go even, which is possible. We are break even because ES took out that hourly internal high. So let's just hope we flush to a 1-to-1. Super simple trade. Let's see what happens. We're now up 350 across 2 accounts. 480, 400. What we want to see is just flush. I really do think we're going to that 4-hour internal high, or that 4-hour gap. I'm not going to hold to it though. I want to just get my 1-to-1. Yeah, that happens. I don't want to see us come back to my break even here. This is now a threat to my stop loss, and that's why I'm break even. Would love for it to just flush. I wish I got the better entry. I feel a lot. I would already hit my 1-to-1, but I was able to enter on this right here. Would have hit my 1-to-1, but it's all right. We got a bad fill. I still think there's draws higher, so we will see what happens. Like I said, this hourly gap is a threat to my stop loss because it is a point that we can reject from, but I do think we're going to go to this 4-hour. So this gives me at least some confidence that I won't go break even, but it's very possible I go break even here. If I break even here, I probably wouldn't, but we will see. This would be a tough break even, I won't lie, just because I could have hit my 1-to-1 if I entered quicker. I don't want to see us displace lower. Come on. Push. No. Push higher. Like I said, if I entered right on the candle closure, hit TP, a little frustrating, but, you know, part of the game. I really don't want us to react off this internal high. Why are we reacting this much, man? You draws higher. Let's push to it. Come on. We're so close to my stop, or not my stop, but my break even. Nice, yes. I like how ES didn't retrace too much, but I think I'm gonna get break even. Damn. Went break even, guys. Go break even. It's hourly internal high. Would have hit TP if I entered earlier. Let's give Reese a call. Wow, that's frustrating, but I have to go break even there. Really good trade, but like I said, I have to go break even. There's no sponsored 5 minutes. This is now a short opportunity. Holy shit. We're just ping-ponging. You take that? Yeah, I missed my 1-to-1 by a little bit. I got a late fill.
Yeah, I actually entered a little bit premature to the inversion.
Now there's a 2-minute off the hourly internal high. Literally could ping-pong the market.
Yeah,
no, to the 4-hour.
I was actually really hesitant to hold. I was like, do I hold in this trade because we have all this LR? But I'm like, you know what? I'm going to take my 1-to-1. I'm going to get off the charts.
Yeah, you had a late fill, and
You just edged your shit, now you're going to break even?
Yeah, I went break even already. So
yeah.
It's a good trade. I'm going to break even on it. I have a feeling we're going to run to the 4-hour internal high, and now it took me out of break even. Probably will go hit my TP, which sucks. But I didn't really see the hourly internal high as an issue, but I still had to go break even, or had to move my stop to break even.
Break even once CS took my draw. And,
Oh, man, it's all good. It's all good in the hood. It sucks that I went break even. It's going to hit my draw, and I probably could have held, but...
Right quick. Hold up.
Wow. It's part of trading, guys. It's going to go to my TP. I could technically re-enter.
In June so far. Really like this trade. You're still questioning if I should have held for more in this scenario, but you'd never be mad at a 1-to-1. Like I said, I'm 3-0 so far, so really great trade. First trade of the week for me, so very A+ setup. This is the exact, literally to a T what I wanted to see happen. Like I said, going into the day. If you guys enjoy this kind of content, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.
And they're going to run to my draw, my 4-hour.
Yeah, yes, now. Oh my god.
And this bang TP would have been smashed, guys, if I just held my trade. But like I said, I got to go break even there because it is a point that we could reject from. We're now going to push this 4-hour gap like I originally intended we would. And it's just, what a shitty day. What a shitty day, guys. What a shitty day, but I mean, could just technically enter off FOMO, but
I was actually kind of upset.
dude,
at Houston. I
wow.
was like,
NQ just doesn't want to give me this payout, man. Fucking faggot ass break.
this internal high.
Oh my gosh. I'm so pissed, dude. I'm getting so unlucky. I'm literally profitable. I've won 8 out of my 9 trades, but I've